Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my very favorite resources for practicing grammar in class. And I love this resource because it gives us ready-made activities that are super fun. All of the materials are there, and there are opportunities for students to apply the grammar that we're practicing. So I'm here on the ELAA Teacher Resources page, and I'm going to scroll down to Classroom Materials and then Recommended Activities. And here's Fun with Grammar. You can see that these chapters are not divided by level, they're divided by content. So let's say you're practicing the present perfect. I can click on verbs past. And the chapter is divided by different types of past. So we've got simple past, irregular past forms. Here's present perfect. I can click there. And these activities are divided up by level. And you'll see these paint buckets. These paint buckets refer to the books in the Azar Grammar series. This publication is from Azar Grammar, which are different colors. Red is beginning, black is intermediate, blue is advanced. You don't need the books. You just need to know that, for example, Activity 1 is intended for black, intermediate, and blue advanced. If it's beginning, it will have a red bucket. So you can see we've got the easy instructions for the activity, and you'll see that it refers to a worksheet that you need for it. But good news, the worksheet is also right here. So I'm just going to scroll down and find worksheet 17. And here we go. It's right here. If you're in person, you can print this out. It's ready to go. If you're teaching on Zoom, you can copy paste it over into a Word document or a Google document or a PowerPoint, whatever you normally screen share in class. And it's ready to go. And it's fun, it's interactive, and it gets students applying those grammar points that we're teaching.